Hello Rafa, today our team are going to explain you an analysis between the cost and waste of mango juice and passion fruit juice.
Okay, I'm going to present what type of juice we did. First one, we did a mango juice. In second juice, we did passion fruit juice. In both cases, we weighed the whole fruit. Then we pellet it and weighed that waste. We obtained all the pulp and we also weighted it. Then in the blender, we added the pulp of the fruit and the heavy water. We strained it and weighed the final waste and the resulting juice.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
So here we have the data about the mango juice. Here are the amounts of in grams of the weight that we had to obtain. We have the juice weight that is 1012 milliliters and correspond to the sum of the pure fruit waste plus the water minus the strainer waste weight. Also we have the total waste that is 628 grams and correspond to the sum of the shell waste plus the strainer waste. We have the percentage of waste that is basically the amount of waste over the whole fruit weight times 100. We have the total cost of fruit that is the price of gram of mango per grams times the amount of the whole fruit. We have the total cost of water that is the amount of water times the price of water per gram. And we have the fruit price waste that is the amount of waste times the price of the fruit per gram, and we have the total cost of use that is 3,912.86. There is the sum of the total cost of fruit plus the total cost of water minus the fruit price waste.
Related with the passion fruit, here we have the whole fruit weight that is basically for 5 passion fruit that we use, and here is the total of this weight of the fruit with the shell. Here is the total of the fruit without the shell, the two wastes, and then the water that we use. Here we calculate the amount of the juice that we obtain, that is basically to have in mind the total of the fruit plus the water minus the straight waste weight. Here we calculate the total waste, that is basically taking amount the two wastes. Then we calculate the percentage of the waste, that is basically the total waste, multiply 100 and divide the total of the fruit with the shell. And here to calculate the cost of the fruit, you basically having this table in mind, that is the price per gram of the passion fruit and the water, and we have only to multiply the amount that we use of fruit by this price per gram, and in here pass the same thing with the water. And in here to calculate the total cost of the waste is basically the total cost multiply the price per gram of the passion fruit, and in here we obtain the total cost of the use, that is basically the cost of the fruit plus the total of the cost of the water minus the total cost of the waste.
According to the old analysis, we have two conclusions. The first one, the fruit that generates more waste is the passion fruit because it has 73.23% of waste that represents 6,411 pesos. In the same way, the passion fruit has more peel than pulp. For that reason, it has more weight compared to the mango. Second, it's more profitable to make mango juice because it generates less cost in terms of waste. The mango juice has more content to make the juice.